How to include a rest day in your exercise routine. You may have heard that it's important to include rest days as part of your weekly exercise routine. Adequate rest is essential to performance, proper recovery, and repair of your body's systems and muscles. Start incorporating a day or two of rest and staying lightly active to help your body repair, recover, and progress with your fitness training. Planning to have a rest day. 1. Write out an exercise schedule. An exercise schedule is a great tool to use when you're trying to schedule in different days of exercise and rest. It can help you plan out exactly when and where you're going to stick in a rest day. 2. Pencil in your rest day. After you've completed your exercise schedule, you can look at what day or two is best for rest. Make sure to pencil this in. It may change as your week progresses. 3. Choose restorative activities that emphasize a different system or muscle group. One important thing to consider when making up your exercise schedule is what you're actually doing on what days during the week. You need to plan rest days and what activities you do based on your desired schedule. 4. Plan to get an adequate night's rest. When you're trying to fit in a rest day, it's also important to think about your overall rest. Sleeping is a part of your rest and recovery routine and should be focused on as well. Including restorative activities. 1. Go for a walk. One of the key recommendations on a rest day is that the activities you participate in are light and are at an easy intensity. Walking is one of the best exercises you can do if you want to stay active on your rest day. 2. Do a day of restorative yoga. Yoga is another great exercise that can keep you moving on a rest day. Restorative yoga in particular is a great relaxing practice to include weekly. 3. Try Tai Chi. This relaxing and low-intensity exercise is great to perform on a rest day. Similar to yoga, Tai Chi can help relax your body and mind while still staying lightly active. Maintaining a balanced exercise routine. 1. Keep an exercise journal. Adding a rest day to your exercise is important and will help enhance your performance overall. An exercise journal can also help you plan your rest days appropriately and make sure you stick to a balanced routine. 2. Split up aerobic exercise appropriately. One main form of exercise is aerobic exercise or cardiovascular exercise. These heart-pumping activities are great for burning calories but should be split up during the week. 3. Alternate muscle groups when strength training. In addition to properly sequencing aerobic workouts, also pay attention to how many days you do strength training. It's important to alternate days and muscle groups. 4. Always include a warm-up and cool-down. To reduce the need for longer recovery times, include a warm-up and cool-down every time you exercise. These are little mini rest periods that are equally important to recovery.